In the morning, what the hell are you doing?
Trying to get down on this damn drone, man.
Someone needs to buy Ronnie Bass a drone. We're gonna start a GoFundMe to buy this dude a drone because this is not cutting it.
Yeah, man. Come on.
Look at this thing.
Yo, don't hate him. Come on. It's a practice. It's practice, man. Come on. I'm trying to get.
Look, I love how often people mad at me for always staying busy, not visiting the family, for always being picky and busy with the strategy. I don't have time to chill or that basic ass mentality. I swear I'm about my business. You can catch me on the come up. My body got no limits, so I'm riding till the sun up. I live behind the bars. I might as well just have the gun up and fight my couple shots and I would never have to dub it. But fuck that, I hang on my own. Pop Gary B on TV, now I'm back in my zone. Cop every delivery like down on my phone. It's like therapy and mentally, I'm back to the bone. Cause I've been working, I've been hustling for years now. Working on my penmanship and humbling my peers down. Working on myself while funneling my fears down. While they are bar hopping, puzzling the beers out.
So if you own a business, and it's 2018, and I know my camera's crooked, but you own a business and you don't have a charging station, you need to get on it. So it's been a pretty long day, been exploring a bit of the Vibe District in Virginia Beach, and I'm gonna call it on this vlog, but if you're enjoying this, this is day 3 of 30. I'm gonna be doing daily videos all through September. So daily videos all through September. If you're enjoying this, please like the video, subscribe, and if you're really nice enough, just leave a comment. It really helps me. Let me know if there's any content you want to see. All right, see you tomorrow.